Conflict Resolution Default Options. Here's a useful feature to speed up your estimating by setting up automatic conflict resolution default decisions. These are user options, not project options. You will find them under the File menu, in the Options window, then Conflict Resolution section. We've extended the conflict resolution function so you can now choose the default behaviour for each decision type. What's more, the tick box here will speed up your estimating efficiency by directing the application to not show the conflict resolution window at all if the user-defined decisions are already set for the relevant conflicts. Here is how to use the rest of the feature. In the Options window, under the Conflict Resolution section, is a list of all of the different conflict resolution questions you could be asked as you're copying and pasting information between projects, cost schedules, cost estimates, and resources. When the default is set to Always Ask, the application will ask you to select an action every time a conflict arises. What you can do is change the default action. For example, when pasting resources, to always keep donor resources. Then, when you copy resources from one project and paste into another project, you will see Keep Donor Resources is now set as the default action for handling resources in the conflict resolution window. You are still given the choice to change the calculation template option if you choose. If you go back to User Options, Conflict Resolution window, and change the Resource Calculation Templates drop-down option to Keep Project Templates, and tick the box to not show the conflict resolution window if all of the conflicts have defined default actions, then you will only see this small confirmation toast message in the bottom right-hand corner of the application. When you select Preset Custom Preferences for all of the required questions, you're essentially pre-populating answers to all of the questions. Then the application will optimize your estimating time by skipping the conflict resolution window and immediately show you the results. And that's an introduction to conflict resolution default options in Expert Estimation. For more information, see our knowledge base article. If you would like any assistance with the application, you can contact our friendly in-house support specialists 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and see how we can help you.